Hello, everyone. This is Victoria Luminary, and this is our weekly angel message. And if you're looking for the one from last week, it didn't happen. I was not guided to come on. So, for whatever reason that was, the angels took a week off. I guess everybody gets a vacation, right? And so, let us get connected with the angels. I have the deck of cards. Now, yesterday I watched someone else share a deck of cards, share 3 cards, and her Facebook Live feed was fine. So I'm going to try it again. Ooh, Rebel. So, when it comes time after we've connected with the angels, I will shuffle the cards and then share a card with you all. And I do want to talk about the new workshop that they have just shared. It came through yesterday that I should be sharing a workshop with you, and I put it in writing. I just take dictation, put it in writing, put it up. So I will have the link in the description of today's angel message video. So if you're interested in that, if you have any questions, message me or email me, and you can register right there on the website. The date is October 22nd. It's a Saturday afternoon. We're going to spend 3 hours together. And the angels have told me what they have planned. But every time I teach a class with them, they do change things around. So it'll be a surprise for you as much as for me. So let us begin. So let's take a nice deep breath and just release. And on the next inhale, inhale and connect with Mother Earth. So reach your breath down into the core of Mother Earth and inhale and bring up that life force energy from Mother Earth right up to the top of your head, into every cell, every atom, every molecule of your being. Beautiful. And just let's take another breath like that to gather some more life force energy from Mother Earth. Feel it in your arms, in your legs, in your organs, in your brain. Beautiful. And now on the next inhale, inhale the energies of God, Creator, Source, Great Spirit, Universe, whatever name you like to call it. Doesn't really matter. Breathe those energies in through your crown chakra. Let them descend into every cell, every atom, every molecule of your being. If you'd like to see a color with this energy, you could say it's golden white light or gold light. If you like the rainbow, you could use that. That is my favorite combination of colors. That's why you'll see a lot of my materials rainbow colored. And just keep breathing this energy in and allowing it to fill your entire 4-body system. Between this energy and the energy of Pachamama, allow it to fill your 4-body system, physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. Beautiful. Good job. And now we're going to call forth to the ascended beings and archangels that I work with that have told me they're on my team. My team expanded a few years ago. I'd say about, I don't know, 7 now. And it's been quite a full team. And people notice that. People who are intuitive pick up on, wow, you've got a lot of people around you. Excuse me. So we're going to call forth to Archangel Michael with his protective energy. Viwamis, Melchizedek, Metatron, Mother Mary, Kuan Yin, Jesus, Buddha, Ganesh, Sai Baba, Saint Germain, the violet flame. And let's use the violet flame to clear all energies. Using our intention, we want all energies that do not serve us to be cleared. And we give thanks for that. And well, we want to fill in with the gold light and the pink light of unconditional love. And unconditional love for ourselves as well as for others. So we need to have it first before we can give it to others, right? And we invite Ariel, Uriel, Zadkiel, Chamuel, Hanael, Hilarion, Lakshmi, Raphael, Gabriel, Divine Mother, Divine Father. We just ask them to work with us right now in real time, knowing what they know what we need. So in their knowing what we need, we just ask them to do whatever we need. Whether that would be clearing us, filling in the maybe holes in our auras. We don't know. We don't need to know. A lot of times when I'm working with clients, they, want to tell me the story, or they then, after we've done the healing work, they want to revisit the story. And the angels will always tell me, that's not necessary. In fact, after a healing, we don't want to revisit the story because we don't want to give it any more energy. We've just released it, right? So this is an interesting card considering the message that they just sent through, and the card is play. So this, astrologically, this is going to be an interesting ride this week. I listen to Ann Ortley's Weekly Weather, and you can find that on YouTube or on her Facebook page. And so this week the angels are telling us, in addition to having that information about what's going on with the planets, for us to play. And what I'm seeing is us frolicking in the waves of the ocean. And just, as the waves come, we just jump and we ride out the wave. It's like body surfing, right? And that's what I'm seeing. And I'm not a water person. When I was 15, I tried to do that and ended up nearly drowning. The angel saved me from that. And so it's interesting that they're sharing that as the visual for me right now, because and I know that's not the way I'm going out, so that's not the concern, but they're just showing me how much fun that is. And as things happen this week, and maybe you'll be challenged this week, but to go back to play and just ride that wave. Whatever comes in, just ride that wave. And just know that it's not going to last forever. They want you to know that. And when you're having a challenge this week, of course, you always want to call on your angels and ask them for help. Ask them to lighten the load, ask them to guide you, whatever it is. And if you don't know, you don't know what's best for you, say, angels, I don't know what to ask for. Just help me. Does that make sense? So you can just say that. So it's basically you're surrendering to the angels because they know better than we know as to what we need in any given moment. But they can't help us if we don't ask, because we live in a free will zone here on earth. So we have to ask them. But their number one message for us this week is to play. And to look at everything as though it's just, again, I'm seeing the waves coming into the shore, and just look at it like it's a wave and just say, oh, this is going to be fun. I'll jump that wave and just ride it out, right? And it's going to be okay. And whatever play means to you, play could be, for somebody, it could mean take a walk. It could mean go to the coffee shop. It could mean doing something more energetic than that, maybe taking a long bike ride, or whatever people do, right? So whatever play is for you, whatever is going to bring you joy as a result of doing that action. And if you can't get out and you can't do anything, take a 5-minute break in your brain, in your head, in your imagination. They say it's the same. Your body doesn't know the difference between physically doing it or visualizing it. So whatever's going to bring you joy and play this week. And I hope you have a great week. Do check out the class. I'd love to have you with us. It's October 22nd, just a few weekends away. And I would just love to have you with us. We're going to be on Zoom, so it doesn't matter where you live. You can participate. All righty. Have a great week, everyone. Bye for now. If you have comments or questions, post them and tag me. Write my name so it highlights, and that will tag me and let me know that you've given me a comment or a question. Have a great week.